an overview of pricing plans inside courses. So let's go to courses, and if you have not got it open up already, click on the course you wish to add your pricing plan to. We're going to go into the pricing tab, and as you will see, we have no pricing plans for this course yet, so I'm just going to quickly create one and run through the 4 options for pricing plans. With a free pricing plan, your students can enroll and sign up without paying anything for your course. Let's have a look at this quickly now. So inside here, you can name your free pricing plan and you can give it a description. On the buy button text, you can write whatever you like inside here. You can also add bullet points, set enrollment limits, set availability. You can set it to tiers within a course for pricing tiers, and you can tie a community to this pricing plan as well. Down the bottom, you can make it the most popular pricing plan. For more information on free plan, check out our support doc on the free plan option. Next we have one-time purchase. This is a single payment. Inside here you have the option to set the pricing to whichever currency you wish to choose. You can set a price for this one-time payment, name it, give a description, add a buy button text, add bullet points, optional, set an enrollment limit, optional, set availability, that's the amount of times it can be purchased, and you can tie it to tiers within a course. You can also set a tax category inside here, whether it's tax exempt, digital or physical services. You can tie this to a community and you can make this the most popular plan as well. This is one-time payment plans. So with the one-time payment, please see our support documents on this for more details. With Zenler, you have the option to add a subscription or monthly or annual billing for a course or a membership site. Inside of here, you have the option to set the currency, the price of that currency. You can set an additional fee. This is a one-time fee when they first join. You can set a billing as monthly, yearly, daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 months, every 6 months, and even a custom option as well. You can name this subscription plan and give it a description. You can also change the buy button text. You can set a number of trial days before purchase. You can add bullet points. You can set an enrollment limit, limiting the amount of students coming in. You can set availability for this pricing plan to take effect. You can also tie this to tiers within a course. You can set the tax category inside here to digital physical services or tax exempt. And you can tie it to a community and make it the most popular plan. Now for subscriptions, you can find out more information on this. Just check out the support document. Payment plans. You can set a fixed number of payments as a payment plan within Zenler. Let's see this now. Inside here, you can set an installment amount in any currency you wish. Set the installment amount in here. Set an additional fee. This is an additional one-time fee when they first purchase the course. And you can set the number of installments. You can bill this monthly, yearly, daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 months, every 6 months, and also a custom range as well. You can name this, add a description, you can change the buy button text, and you can add bullet points, set an enrollment limit for limiting the amount of students coming in. You can also set an availability date when this is available to and from, and you can tie it to tiers within a course and have the ability to set the tax category as well to digital physical services, tax exempt. You can also tie this to a community and make this the most popular plan. This is payment plans. To find out more information on this, go to the support doc on payment plans. So as you can see, Zenler offers you a flexible amount of payment options to choose from. One last thing to bear in mind is you can set multiple payment plan types within a single course. You might have 2 different payment plan options. You might have a subscription and a payment plan option. You might have a one-time purchase and a payment plan. The choice is yours. You can have multiple payment plans inside of one course or bundle. This is your payment plan types within Zenler. For more information on details about each of these payment types and seeing their usage, please check out the support documents on this for more detailed information.